everyone, this is Rekha Kaushik here. Welcome to the sixth lecture of data handling. In our previous lectures, we had learned what is a range, what is mean, how to find mean, what is median, and how to find median. In this lecture, we will talk about what is mode and the word problems related with mode. So let's start. Keywords that will be used today: observation, frequency of an observation. These two words were discussed in first lecture also. And the third one is mode. As I had already told you, there are three measures of central tendency: mean, median, and mode. This we are going to learn today. Let's see what is mode. The value of observation which occurs the greatest number of times or which has greatest frequency, or we can say this is an observation which is written maximum number of times or which has the maximum frequency. This is called mode or modal value of the data. Let's take an example. The data is 6, 3, 9, 6, 6, 5, 9 and 3. Here we have represented all these numbers on the number line, and every time a number is written we have put a tick for that. Very clearly we can see that 3 is written 2 times, 5 is written 1 time, 6 is written 3 times, 9 is written 2 times. So which is the observation that is written maximum times? Yes, 6 is written maximum times. So 6 is the observation which is written maximum times, and this is called mode. So the mode of the data is 6. Let's take another example. The data is 26, 35, 30, 21, 16, 45, 31 and 19. Here we have represented this data again in ascending order, and very clearly we can say 16 is written 1 time, 19 1 time, 21 1 time, 26 1 time, 31 1 time, 31 1 time, 35 1 time and 45 1 time. So which frequency is written maximum times? There is no frequency which is written maximum times, so we will say there is no mode. How to find the mode in frequency distribution table? As we had learned in first lecture how to read this table, so let's read this table. 60 has the frequency 3, that means 60 is written 3 times. 67 is written 1 time. 75 is written 4 times. 100 is written 5 times. 108 is written 7 times. 130 3 times. 145 3 times. 162 1 time. 187 3 times. So very clearly we can say which observation is written maximum times. 108 is written maximum times, or in another words we can say which is the maximum frequency. 7 is the maximum frequency, and whose frequency is 7? The frequency 7 is belonging to 108, so the mode is the 108. What is the mode of this data? 108 is the mode of this data because 108 has the maximum frequency. Let's do some problems on mode. The ages in years of 12 persons are given below: 76, 58, 65, 76, 55, 48, 52, 76, 68, 67, 42 and 67. First part, find the modal age, that is mode. So very easy. This is the data. For finding the mode, we have to arrange this data in order. We have arranged here this data in ascending order. And we can see 42 is written 1 time, 48 is written 1 time, 52 is written 1 time, 55 one time, 58 one time, 65 one time, 67 two times, 68 one time, 76 three times. So which observation is written maximum times? Yes, 76 is written maximum times. So what is the mode of this data? 76 is the mode of this data. Or we can say 76 has the greatest frequency. So the mode is 76 and the unit is in years. So we will say the mode is 76 years. Let's come to the second part of this question. While copying, a student wrote 67 in place of 176. That means when he was writing the data in place of 176 out of the data, he has written 67. That means this is 76, this is 76, and this is 76. There are 376, and in place of 176 out of these three, he has written 67. So the data will be changed now. How? In place of 176, we will write 67. Let's see. 176 will be replaced by 67. So this is the old data. Now we will get the new data, and this is like this. In place of this 76, we have to write 67. Again, we will arrange this data in order, and we will get 42, 48, 52, 55, 58, 65, 67, 67, 67, 68, 76, 76. So, which number has the greatest frequency? 67 has the greatest frequency. From here, we get that the new mode is 67 years. One more question. Find the value of x for which the mode of the following data is 8. Now in this question, we know that the mode is 8. When we have written this data in frequency distribution table, these are the observations and these are the frequencies. So 2 is written one time, 3 is written one time, 4 two times, 5 one time, 6 two times, 7 one time, 8 three times, and 9 three times. From here we can see that x is left to be written in the table. We have to write x, and x will be written in such a way that the mode should be 8. That means if the mode is 8, that means 8 has the maximum frequency. But here 8 and 9 both have same frequencies. So how these two can be mode? We have only one mode, and that is 8. So the frequency of 8 should be maximum time. We can say this x will be 8 because when in place of x we will write 8, we will get frequency of 8 will be 4. So what should be the value of x? 8. Now how to write that? Clearly the observations 8 and 9 have the same maximum frequency. Both have 3 and 3. Hence if the data had mode 8, then x must be equal to 8, so that the frequency of 8 is 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, which will be maximum. If x is 8, then only the frequency of 8 will be increased. So what should be the value of x? 8. What we have learned today, that mode is the most frequent value, the most repeated value of the data. Now this is a worksheet for you. Find the mode of the following data, and this is the question that you can do as like the problems we have discussed in this lecture. Hope you will do these questions, and thank you. For getting more videos on mathematics, please like, subscribe and share.